This is the fiddle two-part of the Ukiah Ranch Waltz by Rita Smith. The fiddle two-part runs very much parallel to the fiddle one part. It has the same rhythms, same bowings, and the melody is exactly parallel with just a couple of exceptions. So I think you'll learn it easily. The only hard thing about the fiddle two-part is it has some really awkward string crossings. You just have to do your best. Okay, so it goes like this. Let me play the first 4 bars for you. Starts with an up bow pickup, just like fiddle 1. Try that with me. Ready, go. Okay, let's go on. The next note is a down bow pickup. It goes like this. Try that with me. Down bow. This is the pickup to bar 5. Ready, go. Okay, let's talk about just a couple things. I'm using 4th finger instead of crossing strings to the D string. Watch this. I play open D. But right here in bar 7, I go 3, 4, 3, 3, instead of going. But you can do that if you need to. I like to encourage my students to develop their pinky. It gives you one more option. The other thing I wanted to tell you about is the high 3 C sharp on the G string. That's easy to miss if you don't work that 3rd finger, because 3rd finger is reticent to want to stray from 2nd finger. You have to teach him to do that. Okay, so let's play the first 8 bars and then you can work with this video to learn it. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. High 3. High 3. High 3. 4, 3, 3. Now freeze. The next note is a normal 3. So you have to go from this high 3 diagonal and lift your 3rd finger up and make him low. And that's kind of advanced. It'll be good for you to learn it. Okay, so let's pick up from that normal 3. We'll worry about gluing it together later. This is the pickup to bar 9. It'll be an up bow. And it goes like this. Cross. Okay, so the first 4 bars are the same as bar 9, 10, 11, and 12. So it should feel very familiar to you. So let's play the last 9. Let's play the last 4 bars of the A part. Learn that, and then I think we can glue it together. Okay? So this is the pickup to bar 13. It's a down bow pickup. Listen again. Play that with me. Ready, go. 2, 3, 1, 2, and then it repeats. Okay, so let us do the repeat, and we'll do it really slow, but let's play all 16 bars, and that'll give you a little practice section to work on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, up bow, go. High 3. open G I just played is the pickup to the B section. Okay, so let's learn the B section. It goes open G, so pretty. Play it with me. Up bow G. Ready, go. B, D, G. Okay, that's the first 4 bars. The next 4 bars, very similar. Try that with me. Starts with an up bow pickup. Ready, go. Okay, and as I told you before on the violin 1 part, you do not have to do my bowings, but I've thought them through carefully to help you avoid traps and getting stuck at the frog or stuck at the tip. Let's try those 8 bars glued together. 1, 2, 3, up bow G. 2. And the next bar starts with a pickup with an open G. So listen to the next 4 bars. Okay, it's very harmony. It needs the fiddle 1 part to make sense. Listen again. Try that with me. Ready, go. 2, 3, 1, 2, 2. The next 4 bars go like this. Pick up. Try that with me with an up bow pickup. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's play the first 8 bars of the B part. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 2. And now we have a pickup to letter C. So let me play the first 4 bars of letter C for you. It goes like this. Okay, try that with me. Ready, go. Okay, I'll let you rewind that and work on it. The next note is a pickup, but it's a down bow. It goes like this. Okay, so can you play a first finger B on a down bow? Ready, go. Down, up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's play the first 8 bars of the C part. Let me show you once. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. And the last 8 bars, 6, 7, 8, go like this. Okay, let me play 4 bars for you, and let's learn just 4 bars. Your part is hard on that section because we had to provide a certain harmony, and it's not the easiest. Play it with me. Ready, up bow pickup, go. So this is the pickup to 43. Do it one more time. Ready, go. Okay, and the last 4 bars have a pickup. 2. The third to the last bar has a slurred 2 quarter notes. Just give a little nudge on the second quarter note to help keep the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, like this. Because you don't change pitch, so we have to do something to articulate that beat. Can you try the last 3 bars? It goes like that. This is bar 48. Up, 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 down. Ready, set, go. 3, 1, 2. And then it goes DC al fine, which means da capo, the cap to the top, means go to the beginning. And play until you see the word fine. So you'd play the A part, and then that's the end of the song, because the end, the A part, has the word fine, which is the Italian pronunciation, meaning finish, the end. Okay, yeah, so I think the last 8 bars are probably your hardest. So give those a little extra work, and let's meet in the play-alongs, and we'll put it all together. See you there.